Mayor Lloyd Winnecke says he's seeking $2.2 million to fix flooding and drainage issues in an east side neighborhood near North Iroquois Drive. City engineer Brent Schmidt says the neighborhood has experienced flooding for at least 20 years, but the flooding has continued to get worse.
Flooding has been going on in this subdivision since about 73, 72, 73. I've lived here since 82, but talking to people that have lived here the whole time, they used to get flooding once or twice a year. But ever since the new businesses and like I said, I don't want to put blame on the Teachers Federal Credit Union, but you got to put it someplace. At least in my opinion, that's where it's coming from, because we share the same retention ditch.
Schmidt designed a series of improvements, he says, to alleviate continued flooding. City Council will hear the request and vote on the second and final reading of the